Hey, this is Bobby Bones, Monday, December 10th. Let me tell you something good. Soon after Hurricane Florence hit the coast, 51-year-old Tony Oslip from Tennessee transformed an old school bus into an animal transport on wheels, with the words "Emergency Rescue Shelter" written on the side. The St. Francis Animal Center in Georgetown, South Carolina wrote on Facebook, Tony swooped in at 4 a.m., picked up 53 dogs and 11 cats from various shelters and transferred them to a shelter in Foley, Alabama. From there, the pets are being spread to shelters throughout the country. Click on the link to read more details.
Tell me something